Hello friends, and welcome to BujoHelpline. I'm Sophie, and I am an avid journaler. I'm running out of pages in my current journal, so I got inspired and went out to buy a new notebook. And today, I'm going to show you how I'm decorating it. Do you journal? Let me know in the comments. And here we go. Alright, here's the finished product. I'll show you what my current journal looks like. It's this one. I bought this in China and I don't think they have them here, maybe. But with this clear cover, it was really nice because I could just directly draw in here. So I had to think of how to do this, but I thought of it today, figured it out. And I'm so happy to be able to show it to you. Thanks so much for watching. It would be so great if you'd give this video a like, comment any planner questions you have below, and subscribe so you can come along on my planner adventures. See you later!